Hey everyone, I'm Richard and I'm from Zappos.com. Today we're checking out the Sierra Delta H2O Steel Toe. It's from Ariat. Now, Ariat really went out of their way to make sure these guys were really rugged, really sturdy, but also still had that style that you need thanks to that stitch detailing you have there on the sides of the shaft. Going down to this kind of perforated look that you have around the ankle. Of course, that stitching up there in the front. Got your steel toe up there, keep everything protected, which is fantastic. It's got a really flexible construction thanks to that Goodyear welt. Really give you amazing flexibility right away. Don't have to worry about breaking them in. There's also some gel cushioning down in that footbed. Really keep your feet feeling energized, really deliver that rebound that you want. Then you got that Duratread outsole down here made out of a heavy duty rubber that's oil slip and abrasion resistant. An all around versatile boot that can keep you protected on all fronts. So don't miss out on these guys, they are from Ariat.